Okay guys, so in alignment with our task for this week, a system of a different kind, I'm going to demonstrate how to write an equation from a pair of ordered pairs, and then from there how to solve a system from two pairs of ordered pairs. As you can see from line A, I have coordinate -2, 2 and -5, -4. I could, of course, use the formula for finding slope. I can also put the data in a table. The change in x from -2 to -5 is a -3. The change in y from 2 to -4 is a -6. I then remember that slope is the change in y over the change in x, so -6 over -3 for a slope of 2. I'm going to follow that same process for line B. I'm going to go ahead and find slope. Again, I'm going to use the table format using the 2, 5 and the -1, -4. The change from 2 to -1 is a -3. From 5 to -4 is a -9. Change in y over the change in x gives me -9 over -3 for a slope of 3. From here, I'm going to use slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, and I'm just going to use the first ordered pair. So the y is 2, the slope that I found is 2, x is -2, and I'm going to use that to solve for the y-intercept. 2 equals -4 plus b. Now I'm going to add 4 to both sides. 6 equals b. I'm going to follow that same procedure for line B's ordered pairs and the slope that I found. I'm going to continue using slope-intercept form. I'm going to use the first ordered pair. Again, it doesn't matter which one. It is important, however, that you're sure to use the y and the x from the same ordered pair. 5 then is equal to 6 plus b. Subtracting 6 from both sides, I find that -1 is b. Now that I have the slope and the y-intercept from both sets of ordered pairs, I can use that information to then write two equations. Of course, I'm going to continue to use slope-intercept form anytime that I can, and y then is going to be equal to 2x plus 6. And then, of course, continuing to use slope-intercept form for line B's information, that y is equal to 3x minus 1. Since I have two equations that are in slope-intercept form, I am going to now use substitution to solve the system. Since both equations are equal to y, I can take and set the two expressions equal to one another and use that to solve the system. Moving my x terms to the same side of the equal sign, I end up with 6 equals x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides, and I get that 7 equals x. Here I'm going to take my x term and plug it into either of the two slope-intercept equations. It does not matter which one. So y equals 2 times 7 plus 6. Y equals 14 plus 6. Y equals 20. That would give us a solution to the system of 7, 20. Remember, when you solve a system, you always write the answer as an ordered pair. And that takes you from two pairs of ordered pairs to the slope the y-intercepts, the equations, and solving the system.